So once you've got your snakes and ladders design stuck onto your board nice and firmly, right, you need to turn it over, making sure that the bottom of the board, right, stays towards you. Turn it over, and then we need to take our copper tape, and we need 4 bits of copper tape. 1 bit will go down the edge here. The second bit will go down the other side of the board, and these are going to form our positive and negative rails, basically. So it's where we're going to attach all of the other components to, so they can get the electricity from the battery. The next bits that you want to do are 2 bits that are along the bottom here, but they don't want to go all the way along the bottom, because we need a gap in the middle, and that gap is where we're going to solder in our battery clip. Now when you take these off, you've got to be really careful, because the copper tape can curl up. So if we just get the edge off here. Now this can be a bit fiddly if you don't have really sharp nails, but it can be done. I normally find it best that once you've got a little bit going, is stick that bit down, so you don't want it curling up like that. Right. Is stick that little bit down at the top. Right. And then as you go down, right, just stick it down as you go along. Making sure that it's fairly close to the edge, but it doesn't have to be right on the edge. Right. Then down the bottom, we'll do one of the bottom bits so you can see. If I can get this off here. There we go. Right. And this one, what you need to do is make sure that it overlaps onto this one. So on the corner there, they have to overlap one another. And see, this is what happens if you're not careful, is they'll curl up like that. So the overlapping, right, touching just there, except this corner isn't actually touching. Right now, there's the piece of copper tape, right, and then underneath the copper tape, right here, there's a bit of glue, and then there's the other bit of copper tape. So they're not actually touching. So we'll have to deal with that later, we'll solder it. Now what you do is you do the exact same on the other side, down here. So you get an L shape over here.